I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today we're back with Helga's Happy Holidays, another cookie recipe. This one is Mike's mom's and it is walnut slices. These are a yummy, pretty easy cookie. Not quite as easy as the Swedish butter cookies, but not far off. And they're really good, especially if you like nut cookies. So, let's get to it. So, you need flour, brown sugar, white sugar, Crisco, 2 eggs, salt, baking soda, and walnuts. First we're going to add our shortening and start to cream that. Now we're going to add our brown sugar and our white sugar and cream it some more. Now we're going to add in the eggs and beat it some more. Next we're going to add my baking soda, salt, walnuts, and I'll slowly start to add the flour. She's ready to go. And what we're going to do next is the same thing I did with my Swedish butter cookies. I'm going to take this and roll it into a log and chill it for a couple hours. Then we will take it out and slice it and bake them, just like I did with the Swedish butter cookies. One. And we'll wrap them up, put them in the fridge, and let them chill for a couple hours. There we go, 350 degrees for about 9 minutes. And they're done. My walnut slices, you see them here, nice and lightly done. You know what time it is. You can see them there. You see the nuts in there. Buttery, nutty, all the good things. Santa won't be disappointed if you leave these out with some milk on Christmas Eve. Yummy. So these were Mike's mom's walnut slices, and something she had on her cookie trays every year. Give them a shot. I think they're delicious. Obviously, if you can't have nuts and have nut allergies, don't try these. But yeah, otherwise these are a really lovely cookie and a really nice addition to the holidays. So, walnut slices. Give them a shot.